Hey y'all. So, big day around here. Why? Because we're changing bays, right? This is a weekly activity for me. That is emptying my family's bucket of excrement into our compost pile, along with, kitchen scraps and the like. So, but today we're doing something that has never been done before in this planet, and that is to start composting in this side. So, you do one side, you do it. Oh, you got some more compost? You want to bring it down? So, you start in one bay, do it for a while, right? We've actually been doing this side for 1.5 years. And then you switch sides. And then you're supposed to let this side age for like another 1.5 years while you do this side. And then you can use this as some of the best soil on the planet. This stuff is awesome. You got some more compost, buddy? Thank you, pal. Appreciate it. There'll be more? Okay. So this soil is awesome. It's really, really, really good. If you got a slight paranoia around this, you can just use it for fruit trees. I'd say you could use it for ornamentals, but come on, y'all. Grow some food with this stuff. This stuff's amazing. It's really awesome. We have used it to grow vegetables. Those vegetables were awesome. Stuff grows wildly with this. So I'm not going to get into a lot of details on how to do this. Check out this video, please. Check out the video, y'all. This video that right here that I made, it's in the description, I thought was going to be my breakout, viral, launch into YouTube stardom video. And it just, y'all, I don't know what happened.
I got more compost.
You got more compost, okay. All right, thank you. A little more compost. Thank you. Okay. So yeah, like I was saying, I thought this video about how we do this was going to be our breakout launch video to stardom. I don't know if it just got lost in the shuffle or what happened, or if it was just like a subject matter that people just can't handle. Gang, this is important. Didn't like Bill Gates just come out with like a $50,000 toilet or something that turns it into like some char or something? I didn't even watch the documentary, but watch this one, right? Because this is like, I don't know, $9 toilet up there, and I don't know, however much this would cost. Wasn't that much money, and I'm churning out some of the best soil around. There is a method to doing this, all right? There is a total method. My poop gets real hot, so it gets up to 55 degrees Celsius. Gang, that nukes out any pathogens, all right? The main one you want to nuke out is roundworm, because that doesn't die with aging. And it nukes out pathogens the way I do it. All that poop, any pathogens dead within half of a day, okay? So check it out, watch it. I meant it to be real fun and funny. I don't know if I took it too far and it was maybe offensive for people. I don't know. Watch it and let me know, all right? Let me know either in the comments here or the comments on that video if I made y'all uncomfortable. If I did, isn't that great, right? It's good to be pushed to your limit. But today we're switching bays. Basically what I want to show you is how I do it, how I start this thing out. So I dig a deep hole and then I line that with carbon, pretty much just wood chips and sawdust. So I line the whole bottom with that so any kind of juice can filter through and get absorbed by that dry material. Over here I did the same thing. It was a bunch of sugarcane bagasse and sawdust and a variety of carbon to soak up that moisture on both of these at the base of the hole. All right, I'm fortunate enough to grow mushrooms, so I put some old mushroom blocks, like essentially made a mycelial filter. All right, how cool is that? And so I'm good on groundwater, y'all. Don't even try to tell me otherwise. I'm good, okay? This soaks up here. And gang, the reason why I'm tapping into this, I'm not gonna age it that long, right? I'm not, sorry. I'm sorry, you're not eating my bananas, I am. And so I'm gonna start using this soon. I actually scraped the top stuff off and put it in here. So yeah, I mean, I'm excited. New pile, never before has happened, right? So I do my kitchen scraps in here. The cool thing about this style, gang, you can compost meat. Why? Because it gets to 145 degrees. Is that what it is? 135 maybe. 55 degrees Celsius, that's what it gets to. It's gonna kill anything in there. It's gonna kill pathogens. So you can compost meat this way. You can also compost meat. Give me a little space, bud. You can also compost meat in a black soldier fly setup. So gang, you don't have to send your meat to the landfill either. Put it in here with your doo-doo. Right, boys?
Yes.
We're similar. So this is my chore about every week and a half. This is the excrement here. Oh yeah, put it in the middle there. Bang. It's actually quite easy. So then I top this. So check out that other video. Basically I've just made a, I've surrounded the excrement with kitchen scraps. And what that does is make sure everything inside gets super hot, right? So that way no one can come and tell me like, oh, well, what about the edges? What about the edges, right? Those didn't get hot. Those pathogens didn't die. Well, guess what? The edges are food, okay? It's hot in there, trust me. I've got a probe thermometer, okay? I've measured it. You guys have seen me measure it. I've done it, all right? This thing gets hot. Watch the other video, it gets hot. All right, hot to trot. So then, what else do I got? Those are all the buckets. I'm already done, all right? Now, what do I gotta do? I'm gonna rinse the buckets. It's good to have a hose nearby, y'all. Put in the comments, if you want me to go into details on how this is made, I can do that. This is kind of weird. It's like being on the other side. It's like if you're right-handed and all of a sudden you're writing with your left hand. So used to doing it over there. Water makes magic happen. Water makes life. How does it get hot? Do you know how it gets hot, sir? Do you know how it gets hot, sir? It gets hot by thermophilic bacteria that exist in your poop. All right, this is all just like a brilliant design. And now, final step, top it with some Carbono. Right? If you don't know, we live right there, all right? And guess what? Doesn't smell. Cool, just that simple, gang. Look at this. We have started a new home for our excrement, for that thermophilic bacteria. All right, thanks for watching. Check out that other video, do it, do it. Thanks for being patrons. Thanks for supporting us.
Look at this orange bucket.
Owen, they can't see that side. It points this way. Come down here and show them the orange bucket.